What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So today we're going to check out and show you guys this portable blender right here, and it's just a neat little blender. This right here made from plastic, and it's just something that I want to share with you guys. So this is just great for going out. So whether you're on the go, I just want to blend up something, this is one of the perfect choice that you can have. Now I'm going to show you guys some of the features of this and also what comes inside the package. So we have the blender right here, we have the USB to USB-C for charging, and also we have a cover right here as well. So on the front right here, you guys can see there's a button where you can press. And you can see right there it's starting to blend right here. We have a USB port for charging. Now the green light indicates that it is safe to actually run. Right up here we have a little cover that we can pull, so we can actually drink through right up here. Let me pull that out, show you guys. Squeeze right here and just pull it like that, as you can see on the mouth. So we can actually drink through right here. Now the features that I love about this as well, we can actually screw off this part right here. And once you screw off this part, we can put this little bottom section onto it, just like so. So once you put on this part right here, as you can see, we have a perfect little bottle. Just a normal bottle that can just carry around without this blender pot right here. Now the thing I love about this blender pot as well for safety is that whenever this part is exposed like this, as you can see, when you try to press the button, it's showing a red light. That means this cannot turn on while it is being exposed like this, which is something great because you don't want to press it by accident and actually cut your hand, which is really great of this. Now the USB for charging, whenever you need charge, you can always charge it up, and you can carry this around whether in your bag or anything like that, just to blend up some punch, whether you're on the road, want to buy some fruits right here. Great portable blender, and it's something I'll be using and recommend. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.